everyone, in this video we are going to solve problems in exercise 2.5 from second chapter, that is Polynomials and Factorisation of class 9. This is continuation to the previous video. Let's start the video. Here is the first question. Factorize each of the following: 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. We have to factorize the given expression by using algebraic identity. Solution. The given question is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. We have a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The identity is a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We have to convert the given question into this form. Now we can write 8a cube as 2a whole cube. 2a whole cube, which is nothing but 8a cube, plus this is b cube, plus I am writing 12a square b as 3 into 2a whole square into b. Now here 2a whole square, 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, a square b. So 3 into 2a square into b, plus I am writing 6ab square as 3 into 2a into b square. Now we have to compare this expression with the identity. In the place of a, we have 2a, and in the place of b, we have b only. So we can replace this total expression as 2a plus b whole cube. 2a plus b whole cube. Therefore, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square is equals to 2a. Let's solve the second one. The given expression is 8p cube minus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p minus 1 by 125. I am rewriting the given expression as 2p whole cube, because 2p whole cube is 8p cube minus, I am writing this as 3 into 2p whole square, because 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12p square into 1 by 5 plus 6p, I am expressing this as 3 into 2p, 3 into 2 is 6, 6p into 1 by, I am writing 1 by 25 as 1 by 5 whole square. 1 by 5 whole square is nothing but 1 by 25 minus 1 by 125. We can express this as 1 by 5 whole cube. Now we have to compare this expression with the identity, that is a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here in the place of a, we have 2p, and in the place of b, we have 1 by 5. We have to replace 2p and 1 by 5 in the place of ab. So we can express 2p whole cube minus 3 into 2p whole square into 1 by 5 plus 3 into 2p into 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole cube as 2p minus 1 by 5 whole cube. Therefore, 8p cube minus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p minus 125 is equals to 2p minus 1 by 5 whole cube. This is the required answer. Let us solve different problem to enhance our knowledge. Here is the question. Verify x cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square using some non-zero positive integers and check by actual multiplication. Can you call this as identity? Let us find the solution. The given equation is x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. We have to check whether LHS is equals to RHS or not by taking x and y values as non-zero positive integers. Let us consider x value as 1 and y value as 2. Now we need to replace x and y values by 1 and 2 in LHS. So LHS is equals to x cube plus y cube, which is equals in the place of x we have to write 1. So 1 cube plus in the place of y we need to write 2. 2 cube. 1 cube is 1 plus 2 cube is 8. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. What is this? This is the value of LHS. Now we have to find the value of RHS. RHS is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. In the place of x we have to write 1 and in the place of y we have to write 2. So 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 into 2 plus 2 square, which is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 into 1 square is 1 minus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 square is 4, which is equals to 3 into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Now the value of RHS is 9. From these two we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS, which means that x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now we have to check by actual multiplication. By actual multiplication whether LHS is equals to RHS or not. I am taking RHS value. RHS is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now we need to multiply this total expression by x and by y, which is equals to x into x square is x cube minus x into xy is x square y plus x into y square is xy square. Now we have to multiply this total expression by y. Y into x square, that is plus x square y plus into minus y into xy is x into y square. X into y square plus into plus y into y square is y cube, which is equals to x cube, and here minus x square y plus x square y, these two gets cancelled, and here plus x square y, xy square, here minus xy square, these two gets cancelled, and the remaining term is y cube plus y cube. What is this? This is LHS, which is equals to LHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. By taking non-zero positive integers, we got LHS is equals to RHS, and by actual multiplication also we got LHS is equals to RHS, which means that x cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is true. So we can say that this is an identity. What we can say? We can say that x cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus x square plus y square is an identity. Let us solve problem on the identity which we learned just before. Here is the question. Factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube and also 343y cube minus 1000. Solution. Given question is 27a cube plus 64b cube. We can express this as 3a whole cube plus 4b whole cube. Now we have to compare this with the identity, that is x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. We have to compare that with this identity. From this we have to get the value of x and the value of y. The value of x is 3a and the value of y is 4b. Therefore, 3a whole cube plus 4b whole cube is equals to the value of x is 3a. So, 3a plus the value of y is 4b. 4b into x is 3a. So, 3a whole square minus x is 3a into y is 4b plus 4b whole square. Now we have to simplify 3a plus 4b into, this is 3a square, 3 square is 9, a square, 9a square minus 3 into 4 is 12, minus 12ab plus 4 square, 16b square. Therefore, 27a cube plus 64b cube can be expressed as 3a plus 4b into 9a square minus 12ab plus 16b square. Let us solve the second one. The given question is 343y cube minus 1000. We can write this as 7y whole cube minus 10 whole cube. Now we need to compare this with the identity, that is x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. From this we have to get the value of x and the value of y. What is the value of x? The value of x is 7y and the value of y is 10. Therefore, 7y whole cube minus 10 cube is equals to x is 7y. So, 7y minus y value is 10 into x is 7y. So, 7y whole square plus 7y into y value is 10 into 10 plus 10 whole square, which is equals to 7y minus 10 into 7 square is 49. 49y square plus 7 into 10 is 70y plus 10 square is 100. Therefore, we can express 343y cube minus 1000 as 7y minus 10 into 49y square plus 70y plus 100. 70y plus 100. These are the required solutions. Let us solve another problem from this exercise. Here is the question. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz using identity. Here is the solution. The given expression is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. We have to rewrite this expression as 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z, because 3 into 3 is 9, x, y, z, 9x, y, z. Now we have to compare this with the identity, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. We have to compare this with this identity. From this we have to get the value of x and the value of y and also the value of z. The value of x is 3x and the value of y is, what is the value of y? Value of y is y only. The value of z, what is the value of z? The value of z is z only. Now we have to express 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z in the form of this identity, that is equals to x plus y plus z, which means 3x plus y plus z. 3x plus y plus z into, here x value is 3x, so 3x whole square plus y value is y, so y square plus z value is also z. Z square minus x is, x value is 3x, so 3x into y, 3x into y minus y is y only, z value is z only, minus z into, and the x value is 3x, which is equals to 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square, that is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 into xy, 3xy minus yz minus 3 into xz, 3xz. Therefore, 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz is equals to 3x plus y plus z into 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. This is the required solution.